Okay, this is Tori Day, doing my final project here with Promenade Tech. Consulted with a few friends on an app that I could create, and the one that stood out the most was somebody wanted an inspirational quote app that they could add their own quotes to. Their one of their favorite colors also happens to be mint, so that is kind of what I based this off of. The concept was to have a inspirational quote app where it generates a random quote every now and then for you, as well as the ability to add your own quotes. I also added the ability to write comments toward them and add notes. So yeah, let's get into this. Let's see, I built this solely on React and Mock API. Due to life issues and complications with Mock API, this is actually getting turned in about a month late, but it's done, it's working, and I'm really glad it's finished. So here's the primary page, the inspiration page, and as you can see, there's a quote there. Everything is linked properly, so you can actually go directly to this quote and whatnot from here. I also added a refresh button if you wish to see a different quote. And that works via random. So, and then random is the same as the home page. Here in quotes, you can see every single quote that has been added. I asked for a few to add myself, and yep, they show based off ID. Nothing too complicated there. Again, the addresses are correct. And then you can go to each individual quote, and each quote can have comments, the ability to add, edit, delete, etc. And then I also have the create page. So if you want to create your own quote, let's see, currently, okay, quote, and here it is. That'll actually show up here near the end, since that's the newest quote. You can also edit it. So you want to, I don't know, to edited. And it'll show all the edits and whatnot. Delete works as well. Same for comments. Blah, blah, blah. Let's do another quote or another comment. Best quote ever, but I only gave it 1 star. Anyway. um, let's see. Anyway, but yeah, and then obviously you can delete them. Let's see. Okay, 5 stars. Okay. So, and then if you wish to delete it, you can click delete. It'll delete everything and the quote. So the quote is no longer there. So yeah, that's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. All the linking works, the randomization works great. Math.random's kind of quirky on its own, but it seems to work pretty well. But yeah, one issue I did have with Mock API, I could have just been set up wrong or whatever. I had quotes, I had the comments linked to the quotes in Mock API like this. And for some reason, when you delete a quote, it doesn't cascade down to the linked components, so the child components. So for whatever reason, when you're deleting a quote, it was not deleting the comments. So I had to manually set up quote code and whatnot to get it to delete the comments in succession before deleting the quote, which was really frustrating. Um, but yeah, it all seems to be working. There might be some quirks here and there, but yeah, I'm pretty proud of it, and I'm glad it's finished. So that concludes my assignment.